about the bank deposits.
Meron po. I included that doon po sa aking plunder case na final way back in 2016. And as I mentioned, because of this plunder case that I filed in 2016, yun po ang naging basis ng overall Deputy Ombudsman then to request from the AMLAC documents, and that led him to issue that statement that the contents of the documents that I had are similar to the documents they got. So, sinasabi ko, hindi nanggaling itong dokumento ko sa AMLAC kasi nga po, bawal yon, pero the contents are the same. And that's all that matters to me as an investigator, Mr. Chairman.
Senator, please pardon me, but I'm a little bit confused. Because if you are alleging that the bank deposits are drug money,
Yeah.
then why plunder? Is it not that when we file a case of plunder, it should involve government funds?
Yes. Yun nga po yung sinasabi ko. Back in 2016, we were stuck in this paradigm na hindi siya involved sa illegal drugs. Kaya when the name of Sammy Uy was being flagged, we were assuming all sorts of things. Pero meron pong mga pumapasok doon, and ang information namin, part ng mga ginagamit na pera ni Mr. Duterte sa Davao is yung peace and order funds niya, which run into, at that time, around 730 million pesos per year. So similar to the pattern or what is used by the Vice President now. So meron silang ganong pondo. So that was the early assumption based on the existing paradigm at that time. Pero nung lumabas na si Mr. Sammy Uy ay involved pala sa illegal drugs as mentioned by Mr. Las Cañas, then it shifted. We revisited the bank accounts and concluded that these are drug money.
To clarify, Senator,
Yes.
you mean to say that when you filed the plunder case back in 2016,
Yeah.
your theory is that the money is government fund, particularly coming from the Peace and Order Program of
Yes.
Davao City? No,
Davao
that was
City.
2016.
No.
Davao City
Davao
LGU.
City. Yes, LGU.
And then along the way, here comes Las Cañas. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Which gave you this conclusion that this is drug money.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
And this case is pending with the Ombudsman.
Yes.
Did you file any supplemental affidavit?